Today, we are going to talk about our hot selling 4-axis rotary sock printer. Its high speed and excellent printing quality will satisfy your tubular fabrics such as socks at ice sleeves, wrist guards to the greatest extent. This is a high-quality machine specially designed for socks printing. The maximum printing length is 65 centimeters. Printing speed is more than 30 seconds per piece. This printer supports continuous printing. You only need to enter the required number of copies and product location to automatically complete batch printing tasks. This is a sock. After printing, you can take off the sock and put on a new white sock. No need to press any button. The machine will print automatically. Different inks can print socks of different materials. This sock printer can print cotton, polyester, nylon, wool, bamboo fiber. The distance from the drum to the nozzle can be automatically adjusted according to the thickness of the socks. This sock printer can print patterns according to your different needs without any restrictions. Thank you for joining us on our journey into the world of sock printing at Colorido. We help brands unleash their potential with cutting-edge technology and exceptional service. Let us work together to turn your brand vision into reality. We look forward to working with you to create something extraordinary. If you need to know more, please feel free to contact us.